passenger who checked a bag and then somehow made a realization that they left their laptop computer in that checked bag that was going into the cargo hold, which caused a significant delay. We definitely didn't school the passenger in why it can't go there. I mean, that's really not our jobs. We're not in the business to scare passengers either. And I think talking about fires or explosions of batteries are things that would, maybe turn off passengers. So I don't know if it's the airline's job to teach them, or they should teach themselves, but someone needs to explain the significance or importance of lithium-ion batteries on an aircraft.
They should have knowledge, but how much and what you tell them, I think would be really a task to evaluate. Because if you're telling 170 people like, okay, we have roughly 400 devices on board today that could erupt in flames and cause a thermal runaway, how are those 170 people going to take that?
Maybe the gate agents should say it. I feel like people are more likely to listen to a gate agent announcement at a gate because they're listening to, are we delayed? Like, what's going on? Are we boarding? So people are definitely tuned in, where they're definitely not as tuned in once they're on the plane.
It's a joint effort to kind of bring awareness to this topic, whether that be advertisements, the airline itself, gate agents making announcements in the gate area, word of mouth from traveler to traveler. Hey, do you know why you don't want your device to be lodged in between the seats, or why you should just power it down and put away when we ask? Everybody's on social media. I think there could be more advertisements on the airlines, their websites directly, the airports, and I just hope that there's more attention and care to the topic.